Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are playing Hello Cat of Neighbor. Neighbor. Okay, the key is under the stone beneath the mailbox. What does this remind? It reminds me of Hello Neighbor Alpha 2. Yep, very likely. Neighbor's bug. The key is floating from your mouth. Yeah. Throw at your butt. Where'd the key go? Key, I need you, key. Pick up. Pick up. Got ya. Let's go in my house. Ooh, beautiful house. Can I sleep on my bed? I'm on my bed. I'm not sleeping. Wait, is it night? Is it night? No. Aww. What's in here? Locked! Seriously? A rock. That gave me a good idea. Okay, I'll leave that door open. Neighbor! Where'd it go? Where'd my other rock go? I need my other. There it is. Rocco. Jump! And we're gonna jump. Let's go, Rocco. No! Grab. Yes! I'm on top of it. Why can't I touch it? Yeah, I can't touch. I can't grab the rock. Why can't I get the rock? I lost my rock. Wait. Okay, forget. Wait. Ooh, perfect idea. Rock! You and him will be best friends. I know it. Oh, you back there? Okay, you're best friend. Okay, what's next on my checklist? Get inside. Move stuff inside. Grab. Okay, I got one chair. My chairs can go through the wall. That is so cool. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Where do I want to set these? With my buddy rocks. Da. What? No. I didn't get to see the rest of my house. Congratulations. That's spelled wrong. So supposed to say congratulations. You now living in a new house, but you have a really scary neighbor. My neighbor's not scary. He doesn't. It's not working. Oh, hey, there we go. Wait, why am I outside? I went my house. Okay, yep, this reminds me a lot. Wait, did I just go through that? I can walk. I'm a ghost. I can walk through trees. Yeah, I can walk through trees. Yeah. Can I walk through this? Yes, I'm a ghost. What, can I walk through walls? No, I cannot walk through walls. Can I walk through the fence? Can I jump over the fence? No, I can see through the fence. Neighbor, I am a ghosting. Wait, he stole my car. No wonder. Wait, no, I don't want to go in there. First, I want to see the rest of my house. I want to see if anything changed. Where are my chairs? My rocks back here? He stole my rocks! Rock stealer! He's a rock stealer! Hey, give me back my rock. Wait, my windows aren't. Wait, what's this? Yay, we can turn off the lights. That could come in handy. Let's not waste the power. Hey, kids, Don't waste power. Shut off your lights if you are not using them, like I do. Yay! Here I come, neighbor. Come to get my car and rocks back. I want my rocks back. I'm sorry, I might be going. I'd rather listen to the bird sweet than that knock, knock, knock. Wait. Neighbor, I'd just like to take my car back. I jump on. Fine. Do it that way, neighbor. I can't drive it, so. In 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'm on the car. Let's go. Let's do this. I can walk through stuff. Can I go through his walls? No, I cannot. First of all, let's take a look from the outside of his house. Okay, living room. Apparently that must be the basement, but there's no exit sign. Kitchen. Can I pick up his flower pot? Okay, a ton of drawers. And cabinets. Kitchen. Wait. His bathroom. Wait, where's it? He doesn't. Oh, his toilet's back there. Okay, bathroom. What's this? Okay, there's the. I'm guessing that door is locked. Wait, can I go to my friend's house? Friend, are you here? Oh! Yep. I'm gonna go in your house. Aww. I didn't go in his house. Okay, I'm going in. Whether I like it or not. Neighbor. I'm gonna check these drawers for a key. I need keys. Ooh, a black key. Let's see if there's. Do we need a crowbar? I don't even know where this basement is. Actually, I think that in the living room is it. Okay. There's this bathroom in there. Will this work? No? It won't work. Will it work in here? Where will it work? I do not know. Let's go home. I'm going home. What? We're here. Yeah! Whoa, look at this room. It's empty! What's in here? Another key. My neighbor is bad. He hides keys in my own house. I'm so slow. I think I know what room this goes to. Z basement. Let's go try Z basement. Hey, I'm gonna try the basement. I'm so sad. Neighbor, are you in here? No. Shh. Stop. Be quiet. Let's try this room. Wait. Okay. I'm not going in that room. That's his bedroom. Ooh, we are here. Yeah. I will try it. Nope, not working. The golden key. That's it. No, the drawers are going crazy on me. The drawers are going crazy. Closed drawer. What's in this drawer? Nothing. So we don't need a crowbar. Well, let's stay on the shelf. Let's put that on the shelf. Yes, it hit the shelf. Pick up. Let's put this on the shelf for safeties. It worked. To the basement. And I know what room is the basement. I'm so scared. What's gonna happen? And we're here. We're here. We're here. We're here. Yeah. Oh, what's this? I hear footsteps. Just go. Ugh. We are working hard to bring new updates to you as soon as it is possible. We update the game every day. Stay tuned to give us 5 stars to motivate, and to support. That is all for this time. If you want to see more, please subscribe and like and leave comments. Goodbye.